So in today's video, nandito tayo sa Hollywood Boulevard where the Hollywood Walk of Fame is, kung saan yung mga stars na nakikita ninyo sa mga pelikula. Especially maraming nagsasabi nga, maraming vloggers na nagsasabi na like pag nandito ka sa Hollywood Mall, the best place that you can go to see the Hollywood sign is going to the 4th floor. But actually, like if you're over here at the 3rd level, you can actually see the Hollywood sign and you can also take a good picture of the Hollywood sign. But we're still gonna go to the 4th floor so you guys can see the difference between the 4th floor and the 3rd floor. So our first stop is here at the 4th floor of the Hollywood Mall, dito sa may Dolby Theater. Now, if you go to the 4th floor, you can actually see the Hollywood. Like, medyo maliit lang siya, but yun nga ang hirap eh. Like, you can see it from here, but like when you actually take a picture of it, you can't even see it. This is one of the first things that you do once you get to the Hollywood Boulevard. You know, you park at the Hollywood Mall. It's $3 for the first 4 hours. Then after that, is for every 25 minutes. I think it's like $2.50. So, right na masyado pamaga kasi later on, since it's Saturday, December 27th, there's gonna be a lot of tourists na gagala-gala. So, alam mo, sa lahat ng mga stars dito sa Hollywood Boulevard, yan lang ang nasa dingding. Question is, bakit nga yan lang ang nasa dingding? Kasi Muhammad Ali personally requested na gusto niya yung sign niya nasa dingding. Other than that, lahat sila nasa floor. Second stop, we're gonna go to La Brea and Hollywood Boulevard. Go to the very front of the Hollywood Walk of Fame. Yung pinaka-una. It's not gonna be a long walk, so we'll see. According nga doon sa history, kaya daw sila dinagay dito kasi diba, during their era, isa sa mga pinakasikat na music sa music industry, kaya sila dinagay sila sa high traffic area, and the Hollywood Boulevard and La Brea is one of the most traffic areas dito sa downtown LA. Nandito si Elvis Presley at saka Beatles. Sila lang ang nandito sa area na to. Is random ba yung pagkakalagay nila ng stars? Yung pagkakalagay nila ng stars depende sa mga category nila at depende kung gaano kasikat yung tao. So, kung masyadong sikat yung tao, kagaya ng Elvis saka ng Beatles, so kapanakunan nun, kaya linagay sila doon. Sabi nga naman doon sa if you googled it or you put it in ChatGPT, the positioning of the stars, it depends on their category. The more na sikat sila, the more na nandun sila sa busy na lugar. Kaya makikita mo like on both sides, there's stars on both sides. Pero pag tiningnan mo guys, you're gonna think of like, sino to? Hindi ba? May mga tao na hindi mo naman kilala. Sabi nga nila, kung sikat ka, doon ka sa maraming tao. Kung hindi ka naman kilala, may star ka nga, pero doon ka sa bahala na, di ba? So nandito tayo ngayon sa iconic Chinese theater. Rename na nila to, ginawa ng TCL? Yes, TCL. So I'm just thinking na baka nabili na to ng TCL. So isa to sa mga historical historical iconic movie theater sa buong mundo. Dito ginaganap yung mga major Hollywood premieres, red carpets. Dito mo rin makikita yung mga handprints at saka footprints ng mga legends ng mga pelikula. Diba? Well, hindi na tayo makapasok sa loob eh. Pero ano yan, it's an IMAX theater. So probably one of these days, tingnan natin kung ano meron sa loob. Pero sinasabi nga nila, grabe architecture sa loob niyan eh. Parang pumapasok ka sa old Hollywood era. So dumadami na yung tao. So well, hanggang dito na lang. Hopefully nag-enjoy kayo dun sa munting vlog natin. So I'll see you guys on our next video. Thank you for watching. I hope you like and subscribe to my channel.